In this step-by-step tutorial, I will show you guys how you can download TikTok videos to your laptop or to your phone for free and without watermark, okay? This will be an easy and quick tutorial, so let's get started. So to download TikTok videos, just open your TikTok account like this and choose which video you want to download. For example, you want to download this one. Click on the video, okay? Just click on the video like this. Let me show you, and what you will do next, just click over here on copy link. Okay, so copy the link of the video that you want to download, then let me show you, go back to Google. Okay, go to Google, search for download TikTok video, click on the first link, snap tick, click on the first link of this website like this, and you will be directly in this page over here. So put the link of the TikTok video here and click on download. So scroll down, video will be downloaded to your laptop. Okay, and here you go. Let's check. As you can see, my video is almost done. Let's check. Okay, so you just need to wait a few seconds, and here you go. If we click over here, so the video will be downloaded to your laptop without any watermark.
Speak these 5 lines every morning. 1. I am the best.
As you can see, so that's how you can download TikTok videos to your laptop without watermark and for free. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in my next videos.